This is what the world looks like. Zoom in, zoom out. Zoom in, zoom out. So,
Another day, another mission to accomplish with masterful ease.
I just bought this guy. I just paid for him. So, in Lego DC Supervillains Showing Characters Part 2, I'm gonna show him.
Really?
Okay, let's go where we actually want to go. We're going to customize someone. Oh yeah, I have 2 Spider-Mans. So today we're going to customize Captain America from Avengers Infinity War. This is a Hawk. I'm going to show you how to customize him later. So. We just have, I'm pretty sure this is the head I used. We just have, yeah, that'll be good. Here. No. Yeah, this is the heel. I'm pretty sure. No, that's... I'm pretty sure that's a hair they use for, yeah, that's a hair they use for the Lego sets of Captain America. What color? Yeah, let's just use that color. Now let's go to logos. Where's the Star logo? Yeah, that's the logo we need. But maybe a different body. Oh, good. 2 colors. Oh yeah. Red could be like for the that red could be for like the red and white lines on his like body. So we're gonna make like the movies. In the movies, like in Avengers Infinity War and Endgame, he has like brown hands and brown boots. It's that color. That's a weird voice. That's purple, I think. Wow, I think this works better than Captain America I previously made. He should have blue hearts. Yeah. We did that. We actually don't care about that. Weapons. No. Oh yeah. It might be in claws. Because in Avengers Infinity War, he doesn't have a shield. He has the exact same claws. No difference. They're the exact same claws from how they made them in the Lego sets. Because in in Captain America Civil War, it takes away Captain America's shield. He doesn't need any of these. He doesn't need that. Let's test out our Captain America. Wow, this took way longer than my Spider-Man customized thing. This took 8 minutes, Spider-Man took 4 minutes. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, ring that bell, and comment below. Bye!